How to add YouTube subscribers count widget on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to launch open Play Store on your device. Now search for subscriber counter. Now you want to have this application installed on your device. So go ahead and tap on the install button. After it has been installed, launch open the application. Now you simply want to search for the YouTube channel. Then select that. Now tap on the heart icon at the top right corner to make it your favorite. Once it has been added to your favorite, you want to exit the application. Now tap and hold on the home screen, then tap on the widget option. From here, select subscriber counter 1, then tap on add. Now you want to select your favorite channel. As you can see, the YouTube subscriber count widget has been successfully added, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.